Okay, so welcome to EE 42 and 100. How many of you have signed up for EE 42 and 100? Okay, it's roughly an even mix. So we have 230 odd students in the class. That's a lot. Okay, we will try our best between us, and I'm going to tell you what the ground rules are in a bit, to make this class interesting. For how many of you is this the first EE class that you're taking? Okay. How many of you have taken some other EE class before? I should have asked that question, I guess. Okay. All right. So we will try to make this interesting. My goal in this exercise is to do two things. One is to teach you the course material, and two is to make you think that EE is actually reasonably cool. Okay? And hopefully that'll convince some of you, probably not all of you, to take some more EE courses. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. Now, let's start. Who am I? I'm Vivek Subramanian. I'm a professor in electrical engineering. My office is in the new building, which is the Sargent Dye Hall. It's been open for about a year now. And it's 513. That's on the 5th floor. It's kind of difficult to find my office, which is nice. You get out of the elevator, you go to the right, and then you head down the hall. Okay? And there's a few faculty offices in a corner there that nobody knows about. One of those is mine. Okay? And I'm generally around a fair amount this semester, though I do tend to travel quite a bit. But I will try to be available whenever you need to see me. You're here, so you know when lectures are. By the way, I apologize in advance. I know taking classes on a Friday afternoon is not ideal. I did not schedule this. I would have scheduled 8 o'clock in the morning on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay? That is my favorite lecture time. But anyway, we'll live with this. This is fine. All right. My office hours will be Thursdays 2 to 3 and Fridays 3 to 4. Okay? If you're not able to make those office hours, you can always email me for an appointment. So the way to do that is the following. Go to that web page, and it has my schedule on there. So don't email me before you look at that. Don't say, can I meet with you? My answer will be yes, but when? Okay? What I want you to do is go to this web page, look at my schedule, find a couple of slots that appear to be free, and then email me and say, are you available in those times? Can I set up a meeting? And assuming those slots are actually free, I will respond and say yes, and then I will wait in my office to meet with you. Okay? Periodically, you will find, not for office hours, so office hours I'll actually stay in my office, but periodically if you come to meet with me, there may be notes on my door saying I'm down in the coffee shop. Okay? And if that's lucky for you, because then I'll buy you a free coffee if you come downstairs. Okay? All right.